ranking 2026 tax strategies, and we're going to go from the bottom up. So at the C level, we have retirement accounts. Not that it's a bad tax strategy, but it's limited. All you're doing is contributing money into your retirement account so you can access it after you retire when you're 65. So very simple, but limited in tax savings. Next up, we have the B level tier where we have prepay expenses. Now, what is that? Instead of waiting till the next year to pay an invoice or to make the purchase of an expense for your business, you can pay them in 2026 so you can claim the deduction for 2026. A lot of clients do this with myself actually because paying for a professional service, as in lawyers, doctors, and accountants, that is a deductible expense. Next up is the A level tier where we're going to get to some heavy hitting tax saving strategies. Kids on payroll. This is a great strategy because you get to pay them up to 15,000 if they are under the age of 18. That money that they receive is tax free, and that 15K you pay them is tax deductible to you. And it's 15K per child. So as long as they're actually doing work inside of your business, you can claim this deduction. The S level is where you're going to get the biggest tax savings. Short-term rental. This is good because anybody can utilize it, not just business owners. You can be a W-2 employee and still take advantage of the short-term rental loophole. As long as you meet certain qualifications, you'll be able to cash in on some major tax savings. Now, another S tier level is entity. Your structure is very important when it comes to tax savings. One quick example is when to transition from an LLC into an S corp because the tax savings that you'll be getting from an S corp can be upwards of tens of thousands of dollars because you're saving on that 15.3% on self employment tax when you switch over. And we left one more off, and it's this one right here. Tax planning. Without having a strategic tax plan, you can't even implement any of these strategies. Tax savings doesn't happen during tax season, it happens throughout the entirety of the year when you're implementing strategic tax strategies to help you legally pay as little amount of tax as possible. So, if you are a business owner or a content creator looking to save $30,000 plus in taxes annually, make sure you DM me or comment 30K so you can book yourself a consultation. Let's get to these tax savings, y'all.